They scroll my phone this back and now where they see this guy, they talk this thing. Me, I no listen them before. Honestly, I never listen them. I never listen them more than 30 seconds. This be the first time I listen them for 3 minutes. Where they hear say they talk this thing. Exhibiting ignorance with confidence. You do I don't react to things like this, but people they listen them. More could listen what they talk.
Mandate that was given to a gold board through the act and establishing gold board are very clear on what the gold board must do. And so some of say one the Bank of Ghana asuma no. One no the obesa asumo before from abre mrane man no kwan so asumo bia. Na oba ye obetena ase a wokasa no Samson Ladia nyani wa musa the question. Sesame na emra no ehemfa ne ma otumi se obetam Ghana sika edi ama eye obi se onko to nneoma mre ye wabra wo ne asoma wo. So first of all yenkensi su bia se sameja mfi ba ye adwuma ne bo eyi kasa wo ka nyina no gold board adwuma pa wo ye ne so oye goro boy tienie be kire mu akire se be ya obeti ase e ma obi amfa brofo nwurawura gold board pe eye act na establish gold board no one Bank of Ghana adwuma a wo mo ye no eye goro boy adwuma na oye enye me na meka me kire oba a sameja mfi e ka kire so o gold board ama omanya mfaso na mfaso no ma musa ne se sameja mfi gold board no okotode yin anu wonya so mfaso. So first of all Bank of Ghana ne pese ono oye program bi ye free gold for reserve, gold for oil, gold for debe ni nyina ne se Bank of Ghana hia gold na onya gold no a obestore bi reserve no obestore bi wodi bi bekwa adwama so akwa akoton am nya forex wodi bi nso be exchange eye for oil instead so ba akoto dollar. But Bank of Ghana na anka sentiment nsi jom enkonkoto gold ne ma tienie. Iti Bank of Ghana esuma eye gold board mo amote makola mo amote di brofo no mo ka ni nyina na se kire nie. Bank of Ghana kuresika wode pe gold wato wode ba gold no a obestore bi obeyesei ne tenteni ni tietia nyina ne se sameja mfini ni gold board na Bank of Ghana esuma no se onko no onkoto eye gold ne mre Bank of Ghana eti ye disika ama no tienie o na sameja mfini gold board ne se omonan ye omoya wo muntimi nko eti eso omo pe eye obi foforo ya to ne din Bar Rock sa Bar Rock ne mra magisika na ye de ama ono sameja mfino any gold board na offer nko na onkoto gold ne mra na oba ye be ma ono Bar Rock commission kakra ansa na sameja mfini nso egi gold ni for Bar Rock no ho a wode akoma gold board na ono nso gold board etua ne wode akoma Bank of Ghana na Bank of Ghana ama ne commission kakra eti sameja mfi adwuma a wo ye nyina ani now
Abi you hear what they talk. Meanwhile, if you go to the Gold Board on my website there, the Act 1140 that establishes the Ghana Gold Board, then upload the act for there. No worry your body, it be just 40 pages. Try go read them. No read everything, just read page 16, 17, and 18. It captures article 26, 27, and 28, which speaks about licensing provisions. You read those 3 pages and you go see, say they talk, say, the gold board may license private companies to operate within the gold value chain. Meaning, say, these private companies, then go fit perform logistics services and essay supporting, then go fit test how pure the gold be, then go fit keep the gold, then go fit transport the gold, then go fit buy the gold from the local miners, then go fit aggregate the gold. The aggregation means say you buy the gold small, then gather them. That be aggregation. You pick the cassava, put one sack inside. The gold board don't go fit do all these things. That be why the Emrano, everyone in Yan Semona has given him the statutory and the sovereign authority to delegate some of his authority to these private companies. The gold board cannot do all these things physically. So Emrano who can say private companies are more track that they have the laboratories, the staff, and the local presence to take charge of these things to prevent delay and the cost. When legitimate buyers and aggregators are licensed, the miner have legal options. It prevents illegal trade. So you can't smuggle the gold anymore. You are buying from me to sell to who? What license do you have to buy? At what rate are you buying? So it will obviously prevent illegal trade. But here he is, or say, a man who can say make you do that. So guys, these are the key takeaway. Private companies may assist, they're not substitute. Delegation is not the same as abdication. It doesn't mean that I'm going to sleep in the house for you to pick all the mangoes in my farm. If you have license, bring it and you pick another portion for us. That is all. So guys, licensed entities like the Bar Rock Company Limited operate under the supervisions and the rules of the Gold Board. Make nobody lie you. The laws are there. So this is the time where the cyber laws must work. You pick him up, you subpoena him to come to court and come and prove where the Act 114 says that the Gold Board cannot delegate its duties. Gold Board cannot do all these things. The companies no more have resources should take care of this to prevent the cost. And here you are. People they listen now. That'd be why I decided to react. People listen to him. For real. Hashtag YPGG, hashtag Youth for Proper Governance Ghana, and hashtag Hope in Action. If today is your first time here, kindly click the follow button, leave a comment, repost, and share with other social reformers. Thank you.